Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is S Paulo, and if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing to this amazing channel. So today guys, I want to show you how you can turn any stained white clothes, bag or shoes, anything that is white, that no matter how much you wash it, whether you use washing powder, whether you use Jik, they don't become white. So I will be showing you how I will change. For example, this pair of shoes, it's an Adidas shoe that I love so much. I have only worn it 3 times guys, but because where I used to stay was very dusty, it is not so clean. Like no matter how much I clean it, it is not as white as it used to be. So I will be showing you how I am going to make it as white as I bought it. So this bag too, I have tried to wash it quite a number of times, but for some reason, after, like when you wash it, it is clean, but after it dries, it is not white anymore. So for this one, because I do not want it to rust, I will first of all remove this handle here, the metal parts, yes, because not an easy task, but it's best that you remove it so that it does not rust. Because I love this bag, but I cannot wear it when it is stained. We are also going to change this pair of socks. As you can see, it is white, but because I have worn it quite a number of times, it is not so bright. It's not snow white, and we want to make them snow white. Same to this shirt, the original color is not really white. As you can see, it is kind of creamish white. So we are going to use the same method to make it snow white. And the only ingredients you need is water. So I have water in here, and then I am going to add washing powder. So washing powder, then you will add your bleach, your Jik, now this is the secret guys, this is blue. So I'm going to use blue in both the shirt, the bag, the shoes and the socks. So this is what we are going to add to this mixture, which is going to make all the difference. For this video, we are going to use this brush, which is a soft brush. We're not going to use the hard brush because when you wash the inside of these shoes, you're going to ruin it if you use a hard brush. So this is what you're going to use, which is the normal brush that you use to polish your shoes with. And then we are just going to scrub normally. You do not need to add any extra soap because the blue we used is enough. You're not supposed to worry about the blue color you see in here. Like the inner sole is quite blue, so all you need to do is scrub it And when you and when you scrub it, as you can see, it's now becoming white. It's not blue. So the more you scrub, the whiter it becomes. So as you can see, our inner sole is very white, guys. This is not how it was when I started. And yes, so now we are just scrubbing the shoe to make sure we get rid of any tough stain using the soft brush on all sides, the inside and the outside. And as you can see, with every scrub, the shoe is becoming whiter and whiter, guys. Just look at the transformation, all because of this blue. And by the way, it cost around 100 shillings. Yes, it's not more than 100 bob. So it is very affordable and you can get it from any supermarket, Carrefour, Naivas, whichever. I think even shops, but mostly a supermarket, or you can order it online. You see, even the inner sole is white. Now I'm just going to hand wash my socks so that I also get rid of tough stains. Yep, we're just going to do it like that. And then next, I am also going to wash my bag. So guys, you do not have to be afraid of owning white clothes, white beddings and whatever is white, because as you can see, now you just need your washing powder, your bleach and blue, which is like 100 bob, and you are going to fix any problem with your white clothes. You're going to brighten them. And then of course, with everything that you're washing, you're going to rinse it until the water is very clean. Mine doesn't look so clean, but it is very clean, guys. And as you can see, my shoes are very white, the inner sole is white, and everything. I think I'll just let you see tomorrow, guys, after we air dry, because I'm now going to let it air dry, and then let's meet tomorrow and see how beautiful they. So guys, as you can see, I'm wearing the shirt that we whitened the other day, and as you can see, okay, I've not ironed it, but as you can see, it is now very white. Look at that. It was not the original color, is actually not very white, but as you can see now, I have made it white. We also have our socks that we whitened here. You see now they are very white. So let's see. So as you can see, guys, our socks are very white, no stains at all, and our shoes are also very white, guys. You remember before we used the blue, the shoes had very brown stains, but now they are as white as snow, and I cannot wait to rock them. Our bag has also changed. As you remember, especially here on the handles, it was not white, and now it is very white, very clean. And for the fur, you cannot change the color, but as you can see, they have become brighter. You have seen how our socks look like, and these are our shoes, guys. Look at that, huh?